welcome back. A very short speech on the topic punctuality to speak in school morning assembly. And the speeches from a very young age, we taught about the importance of punctuality and asked to complete our work on time, to complete our assignments on time, and even to do every task on time and see the good things or qualities that are learned during childhood stay with us forever. Good morning, everyone. I am Minakshi, student of class 8, is here to speak on one of the best qualities, and that is punctuality. Punctuality or being on time is the most important trait and first step towards success. It teaches us the value of time and gives us the right amount of stability and self confidence that enables to lead a favorable life. As a student, punctuality helps us complete our homework on time and to do well in our studies. When we complete our work on time, we have plenty of spare time to pursue our hobbies. We must develop the practice of completing our task on time regularly. Let's set up a routine and maintain discipline. Let us maintain a good study schedule to be ahead in academics, and this will help us achieve success in our lives. Dear friends, we should know the true value of time and value every moment of life. The person who is punctual always get love and respect from family and society. And also they become examples for others to follow. So let us know the true value of time. Catch it or snatch it and enjoy every moment of it. Do not delay your work for tomorrow. What you can do today. And here I end. Thank you.